Alrighty, what is up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the Talk Go USB microphone by Jlab. This is a $49 microphone, so I figured I would grab it just because I wanted to upgrade a little bit. Now, whenever you do hear me, you hear me through this little microphone. This little clip-on guy here has been great, but we are going to step it up. So let's go ahead and see exactly what is in the box. So let me see here. Alrighty. So we have the slip cover here that comes right out, and we have this box right here. So this is the actual box, which opens here, and you can see what is in here. We have the microphone, the stand, the USB cable, and the quick start guide. We'll go ahead and pull this out here really quick. USB cable and quick start guide here. We'll open this guy up here and see what we got. So we have USB cable there and the quick start guide. Then we have the stand right here with the connector piece right there. And of course the Jlab. This is a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Alrighty, so we have these three pieces that came out of the box here. So what I am assuming is this stand right here will open right up there, as you can see, into the tripod as so. Also has nice branding there. Okay, it looks like this piece right here is going to screw right onto the stand as such, like that. And I do believe this microphone here, you will see a little hole in the back there that screws, I'm assuming, right on here. That nice and tight, and there you go. There you have the $49 Jlab microphone. It's very light. It was extremely easy to assemble. Now, it says it is just the plug and go, so we should be able to take this cable that they gave us right here. Alrighty. Now, this end right here should easily go into the back of the microphone. So you can see there. And there we have the Jlab microphone all hooked up. Alright. And the other end here should go into the computer, and we are good to go. So that was super quick. Everything in the box for $49. You will get the microphone, the connector piece, the stand, the quick start guide, and of course the USB cable. It all comes very nicely in this box here. And let's see how well it works. Let's see what it sounds like. Alrighty, so this is the microphone that you are hearing now. This audio is actually coming through this Jlab Audio Talk Go microphone. We do have it all set up, and it was actually extremely easy to set up. So everything you're hearing right now, this recording, is actually coming through the Jlab microphone. Now, I haven't heard it yet, so I am hoping that it's coming through nice and clear. I'm sure I will hear it when I go through and edit it for you guys. But this is it, the link if you want to check out this microphone. It is extremely inexpensive, and I'm really enjoying it thus far. The link will actually be below. You guys can go and check it out, and it should still be around this price. I've actually been staring at this microphone for a while, just haven't pulled the trigger and bought it. Finally did, and I haven't seen it go up in price at all. So I think this is an extremely good microphone for anyone's vlogging or streaming needs. But as always, guys, keep a lookout on the channel, as we are going to continuously put out, hopefully daily, if not a few times a week, free, informative, if not entertaining at times, content for you guys. So take it easy, and as always, keep growing, keep learning, and keep expanding.